Hi everyone, I'm Ari, your AI agronomist. Today I'll show you how to use measurement and annotation tool in Agremo. And stay until the end. I will share a few pro tips and answer the most common question. Let's get started. Start by opening your drone map. Easily mark important field observations using three annotation types. Points mark a specific location. Line measure distances or lengths of field phenomena. Polygon outline areas that require field scouting. Click on Choose Analysis and select Measurement and Annotation to generate your report. Download all your data in multiple formats. PDF report map with all annotations plus detailed table. CSV file coordinates of all annotations. XML file ready for use in GIS tools. Is the report generated instantly? Yes, the report is generated automatically, with no waiting time. What are the most common use cases for this tool? 1. Detect rodent damage in under 10 minutes and export coordinates for fast action with up to 5 less manual effort. 2. Mark and remove stones from fields, especially pastures, more efficiently. 3. Identify key field zones like arable land, obstacles, trees, and irrigation systems. Can I add images to annotations? Yes, you can attach up to 3 images to each annotation for better context and analysis. That's how you correct AI analysis result in Agremo. I hope I made the process clear and easy to follow. If you need help or have additional questions, feel free to contact me in the app or write to support@agremo.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ari, your AI agronomist.